Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. I would like us today to reflect on the Gospel of Mark, chapter 6, from verse 30. The Gospel of Mark, chapter 6, from verse 30. The apostles returned to Jesus and told him all that they had done and taught. And he said to them, "Come away by yourselves to a desolate place. Come away by yourself to a lonely place. Come away by yourself and find some rest." For many were coming and going, and they had no leisure even to eat. I like to just briefly look at verse 30 and 31. They are coming back to Jesus with excitement. They're coming back to Jesus to give him a feedback and to report that they had done so much and God had been with them in this ministry. But I'm moved by the compassion that Jesus has. He looks at them and he invites them. He says, "Come away, come to a desolated place, come to a lonely place, come to a designated place, come and find rest." And for me now, kunendumiso lapho. Yabona ithandwa zami, we can do so much. And there's very good deal in doing so much for God, because our hearts find joy, happiness, and meaning. And ngiyabathanda abantu abakhuthele, especially abakhuthelele ukwenza okuhle, abakhuthelele ukuhamba kahle, abakhuthelele ukwenza izinto zibe zinhle. Leyo nto kumina isibusiso, leyo nto kumina injabulo. Ngiyambona kodwa uNkulunkulu efika kuthina esimema ethi wozani nizohlala kanye nami, wozani nizophumula. Kungisa mina ku Matthew chapter 11 athi wozani kimi nina nonke nikhatheleyo nensindwayo. Come to me, all of you who labor and are overburdened, and I'll give you rest. And this is an invitation from God for each and every one of us. Come to me to a lonely place. Thandwa zami, life can be too much. Life can be demanding. And life can demand a lot from us. And as we begin this week, I just want us to remember that the Lord constantly invites us to come and be with him. Come to a lonely place with me. In the most practical way. Abanye bethu don't have time to do that. Because if usithi asiko sebenza, if usithi we're not going to go and hustle, kuzolela ngadliwe, izinto ngeke zenzeke. But what I'm going to ask is something absolutely powerful. And I've seen it yenziwa abantu abaningi, inhlelo namahlelo nenkonzo eziningi. Take 5 minutes of your day and just rest in the presence of God. 5 minutes. That's all you need. It's 5 minutes of your day. Whether at the beginning of your day, in the middle of your day, or in the afternoon, or late at night. But just take 5 minutes of your busy day and focus it on your God. I often find this very helpful. Do your 5-minute meditation where you want to connect with God, where you shut down everything in a day, even in between meetings and appointments. Ask whoever is helping you with those to say from this time to this time, kune appointment enginayo, and you're giving yourself an appointment with God. And you just take 5 minutes. That's all you need. ask people who meditate every day. 5 minutes is all you need in order for you and I to connect and reconnect with God. And start small. Start with 5 minutes. Shutting down every other thing and just focusing on these beautiful words. Be still and know that I am God. And use that mantra. Be still and know that I am God. In your busy schedule, take 5 minutes. You will thank me later. And just meditate on that. Be still and know that I am God. You could be sitting down outside the office waiting for an appointment. Take those few 5 minutes. Be still and know that I am God. Ucela uNkulunkulu athulise imimoya. Ucele uNkulunkulu asuse uvalo nokwesaba. Ucele uNkulunkulu ahlele inhliziyo zethu. Ucele uNkulunkulu alethe ukuthula emphefumulweni yethu. Be still and know that I'm God. You may be going through a terrible day. You may be going through a hectic day. You may be going through issues. Awunamali yokukhokha izinto ayihlangani. But just be still and know that I am God. And just take 5 minutes of your day and do that. Every day you will see amandla kaNkulunkulu. Let's go to verse 32. And when they went away in the boat to a desolate place by themselves, now many saw them going and recognized them, and they ran there on foot from all towns, and they got ahead of them. When he went ashore, he saw a great crowd, and he had compassion on them, for they were like sheep without a shepherd, and he began to teach them many things. When Jesus got out of the boat, he saw people, and he had compassion on them, for they were like sheep without a shepherd, and he began to teach them. Now, I like this. He saw them and he had compassion. Wababona, waba nomusa. Wababona, wabahawukela. Wababona, wabadabukela. I pray that the Lord sees you today and has compassion on you. That's the word for the day. May you see me, Lord, and show me your compassion. May you see me, Lord, and show me your compassion. Sengathi ungangibona Nkosi ube nomusa kimina. May you see me, Lord, and have compassion on me. May you see me, Lord, and show me your compassion. Sengathi ungangibona Nkosi ube nomusa kumina. That's the word for today. May you see me, Lord, and show me your compassion. Sengathi ungangibona Nkosi ube nomusa. Thandwa zami, sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona maqedane akuzwele. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona maqedane akudabukele. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona maqedane akuthule imithwalo. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona maqedane akusule izinyembezi. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona maqedane akwesule ihlazo. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona maqedane akusuthise ngokuhle. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona maqedane akulwele nezitha zakho. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona maqedane angimbathise amandla. May God see you today and shower you with his compassion. May he experience, may he understand what you are going through. Khuleko wami namhlanje kuseni sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona. Kukona konke sengathi uma uvuka uvula amehlo izulu lingakubona. Sengathi muya noma ikephi la ekumele uye khona impilo yakho ishintshe, sengathi uNkulunkulu angakubona. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angavusa endleleni abantu abazokusiza. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angavusa endleleni abantu abazokuvulela iminyango. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angavusa endleleni abantu abazoguqula impilo yakho ibe ngcono. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angavusa endleleni abantu abazoqonda izinto ozidingayo. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angavusa endleleni abantu abangeke bakushiye ungakaphumeleli. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angavusa endleleni abantu abazosiza abantwana bakho. uNkulunkulu angakushiyi endleleni. Lethi izwi likaNkulunkulu waphuma emkhunjini wabona abantu, they were like sheep without a shepherd, and he had compassion on them and he began to teach them. Kuthi angithi namhlanje Nkosi ngifundise kabusha. Ngifundise imithetho yakho. Ngifundise ukuthembeka kuwena. Ngifundise ukukuthanda. Ngifundise ukuthula. Ngifundise ungaxokozeli. Ngifundise ukwehlela ngezansi. Ngifundise ukuhlonipha omunye umuntu. Kuthe ngasenhlizweni nami ngavuka ukuthi la ubafundisa abanye nami ngiyacela Nkosi ngifundise. Mhlambe sengikhohliwe. Mhlambe sengenza ngokujwayela. Mhlambe sengenza ngokuthi hayi vele mina. Namhlanje kuseni ngithi Nkosi ngifundise ukubeka ithemba lami kuwena. Nkosi ngifundise ukwazi ukuthi konke kuyenzeka kuwena. Nkosi ngifundise ukuthi uma ngishiya wena izwe lizodlala ngami. Nkosi ngifundise ngoba mina ngokwami ngiyahluleka. Nkosi ngifundise. Ngithanda lenkonzo eyenziwa uJesu because as people came from different walks of life, yena the only thing he does, he has compassion on them. And he begins to teach them many things. Verse 35, and when it grew late, and his disciples came to him and said, this is a lonely place, and the hour is now late. Send these people away to go into the surrounding countryside and the villages and to buy themselves something to eat. But Jesus answered, you give them something to eat. And they said to them, shall we go and buy 200 denarii worth of bread and give it to them to eat? And he said to them, how many loaves do you have? Go and see. And when they had found out, they said, 5 and 2 fish. I love what happens. The disciples go to Jesus and they say, Nkosi sekulate. Nkosi sekuhlwile. Badedele manje labantu bahambe. Bayothola into abazoyidla bayemakhaya. Kunabantu abazohamba bayokukhulumela wena uzuyitshela ukuthi bayokukhulumela kahle uNkulunkulu. Bathi Nkosi usibanibani usemdala. Nkosi usibanibani uhlushwa ukuthi. Nkosi usibanibani ngeke asakwazi ukwenza. Nkosi hamba umphumuzo usibanibani. kodwa athi uNkulunkulu no. Your time and God's time are different. I want you to write that down. God's time and my time are different. God's time always comes with a blessing. God's time always comes with a blessing. Ingakho ethi, when the time is right, I, the Lord your God, will make it happen. When the time is right, I, the Lord your God, will make it happen. Abantu benza izinto zabo. Abantu bakhuluma abakuthandayo ngathi. Abantu basiceba ngokufisa kwabo. Abantu benza noma yini ngathi. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi unganaki ukuthi abantu bathini. Unganaki futhi nokuthi impilo yakho ithini. Thi ngelinye ilanga uAbraham noSarah uma uNkulunkulu emtshela ukuthi wena uzothola umntwana, athi uAbraham, Nkosi msukudlala ngami, athi buka sengimdala kangakanani, athi sengidlulwe nanesikhathi, athi nonkosikazi wami usedlulelwe naye isikhathi, athi uNkulunkulu engani ngiyakutshela nje mina wena uzothola umntwana. Yabona ithandwa zami kwesinye isikhathi we are so obsessed about I'm chasing against time. We are so obsessed about control. We are so obsessed about what I can do and forget about it's not about what I can do. It's what God can do. Write that down for me. It's not about what I can do. It's what God can do for me. It's not about what I can do. It's about what God can do for me. It is not about what I can do. It's about what God can do for me. And for me now, the sooner I realize that truth, everything changes. It's not about what I can do. It's about what God can do. Angicikile ukuthi mina ngisangenzani. Mina amandla azongiphelela. Mina ngizohluleka. Kodwa uNkulunkulu ngeke ahluleke. Mina ngizokhuluma ngibhimbe. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uzoyibeka kahle le ndaba. It's not about what I can do. It's about what God can do for me. It's about what God can do in my life. It's about what God can do through me. It's about what God can do with me. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukumthwala umuntu wakhe. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukumvikela umuntu wakhe. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuzibonakalisa ngomuntu wakhe. It's what God can do for me that changes the narrative. It's what God is doing for me that changes the narrative. It's what God has already achieved in my life that changes narrative. Ngiyafisa ithandwa zami singakhohlwa lokho. Abafundi bathi bagodukisela abantu sekuhlwile. Bagodukisela abantu sebelambile. And the truth is kwasekuhlwile. The truth is basebelambile. Kodwa the other truth is uNkulunkulu akafuni ngathi. I'm always fascinated by this fact ukuthi uNkulunkulu akafuni ukusibona sibuyele emuva sikhala. Akafuni ukusibona sibuyele emuva silambile. Akafuni ukusibona sibuyele emuva sixakekile. Akafuni ukusibona sibuyele emuva izinto zethu zingekho. Akafuni lokho uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu ufuna ukusibona sibuyele emuva sisuthi. Ufuna sibuyele emuva inkinga zethu ixazululekile. Ufuna sibuyele emuva sisitholile isisombululo. Yilokho uNkulunkulu akufunayo ngeimpilo zethu. And that for me warms my heart. Ngifuna ukuthi wena ulahlelana ithemba uNkulunkulu engakalahli? Why do you give up? Because God has not yet. Why do you throw a towel? Because God has not yet. Why do you turn your back on God while God has not yet? Udikibalelana uNkulunkulu engakadikibali. Umshiya kanjani esakubheka esakwenzela izinto? Uduba kanjani esakulungisela izinto? Yabona mina uyangimangaza uJesu ngoba mhlambe bakhuluma nje bonke abantu bayezwa ukuthi awu sesiyaxoshwa njalo, awu bengithi ngisazobona inkosi, awu bengithi ngisazomuzwa ekhuluma, awu bengithi uNkulunkulu athi uJesu no. If it means sizohlala la ubusuku bonke sindawonye, we will do that. If it means angiyindawo ngizohlala nawe esibhedlela ngizokwenza lokho. If it means I'm going to walk this journey with you ngizokwenza lokho. But I want you to know I will never leave you. And I want you to know ngeke ugoduke isimo sakho safana. Ngiyithanda leyo nto ngoba ithi mina uJesu uthi angeke usuke kumina isimo sakho singakaguquki. Angeke futhi nami ngihambe isimo sakho singaguqukile. He assures us he will take care of it. He will deal with it. He assures us nalokhu kusazokwenzeka. He assures us why digibale. He assures us why silahla ithemba. Kumina ngibona amandla ajulile. Ngibona umusa ojulile. Ngibona lamandla athi usukelani ngoba mina angakasuki. Uhlehlelani ngoba mina angakahlehle. Ukhalelani ngoba mina angikasho ukuthi sengihlulekile. Yabona ithandwa zami kwesinye isikhathi we go through so much empilweni. And siyitshela ukuthi sengixakekile mina manje Nkosi. And siyitshela ukuthi mina sengiyahluleka manje Nkosi. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena yes ngingaxakeka. Yes ngingahluleka. Kodwa uNkulunkulu akakahluleki. uNkulunkulu wami akakasho ukuthi thembelani hayi mfanami ngizamile ngihlulekile. No. Uma engakasho uNkulunkulu, why do you want to walk away? Uma engakasho uNkulunkulu, why do you run away? Uma engakasho uNkulunkulu, uyaphi pho usuke endaweni yakho yokulinda? uJesu, give them something yourselves. Banike nina yini esinakho. Bathi bona no, I want to go. Ngifuna ukugijima ngihambe siyobathengela ukudla. Athi uJesu no, it's not about that. It's not about that. That has nothing to do with that. God has something far more greater for us. He says, I don't want you to go and waste money. I don't want you to go and find something else. The only thing I want you to do is to give them something. Now, this fascinates me. They only have 5 loaves and 2 fish. And they know this is insufficient. Akwanele. They know that. They know it is not enough. And sometimes we are like that. We know I don't have enough, Lord, in my bank account. I don't have enough in my spirit, Lord. I'm already drained. I'm exhausted. I'm depleted. I don't have enough. I wish we can go to God and say, Lord, I don't have enough. Yabona ukube bengenza inkonzo bengizothi tshelo seduze kwakho uthi I don't have enough. I don't have enough. And umuntu nomuntu knows what that means for them. For someone else, it could be, I don't have enough strength to fight. I don't have enough strength to see myself through this week. I don't have enough strength to stay in this work. I don't have enough strength to live with this person. I don't have enough strength to start again. I don't have enough. I just don't have enough. And umuntu nomuntu know what that means. I don't have enough. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough energy. I don't have enough time. Sebengitshelile ukuthi I'm dying. I can see ukuthi my body is failing me. I just don't have enough. And we all know that. I don't have enough. This is getting too much. This is getting toxic. This is taking away from me. I just don't have enough. And Jesus looks at us and he says, I know you don't have enough. I know sometimes raising kids can be too much. I know that having to be present all the times can be too much. And we can say, but Lord, I just don't have enough. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi kufinyelele kuze kube ngathi uzothi ngicela ninginike isikhathi kancane ngisafuna ukucambalala. Just give me time. I just want to rest. Just give me time to breathe. I just don't have enough. I just don't have enough. Wakwabizwa emithingini, wakwabizwa kwi-boardroom, wakwabizwa e-ofisini, and wathi, I no longer have enough strength to fight this. Waxabana nomuntu omthandayo, unkosikazi wakho kanye umyeni wakho, wathi enza noma yini ofuna ukuyenza manje sithandwa sami, ngikhathele. I don't have enough strength to fight this. Have you ever been married to someone who's so manipulative that they want to control you with everything, and they keep on threatening you, they're going to leave you, they're going to dump you, they're going to do everything, and you say to them, it's okay, if you want to go now, I don't think I have enough strength to fight you. I don't think I have enough strength to fight for us. I love you so much, but if you want to go, I don't have enough time. I don't have enough. Please go. Maybe it's okay. If this is what you want, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I've lost it. I don't have enough. I told Jesus, that's okay. I told, what do you have? I only have 5 loaves. I only have 5 loaves. I told Jesus, that's all I need. What do you have? I just want self-preservation. I said, that's okay. I told, what do you have? I want peace. I told Jesus, that's okay. I told, what do you want? I just want to pay fees. I just want to save this house. I just want to breathe. I told Jesus, that's okay. It's okay. It's amazing ukuthi uNkulunkulu wenzana empilweni zethu. Athi, that's okay. And then when they declare that we only have 5 loaves and 2 fish, then Jesus commanded them to sit down in groups on the green grass. So they sat down in groups by hundreds and by 50s. And taking the fish and the 5 loaves, he looked up to heaven, he said the blessing, he broke the bread, gave it to his disciples, and he set before the people. They divided the 2 fish among them all, And they all ate and were satisfied. Yangimangaza mina uNkulunkulu. Yazi uNkulunkulu uthatha into yakhe ingekho. Wathi kulungile. Yazi ngithi mina uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukukhathala kwakho. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukukhathala kwakho. uNkulunkulu uyazazi inyembezi zakho. uNkulunkulu uyalazi usizi lwakho. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuxakeka kwakho. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi nokukhala kwakho. uNkulunkulu uyalazi usizi lwakho luhlezi luphambi kwakhe, futhi okuphuma ezindebeni zomlomo wakho uyakwazi emadlebeni akhe. Kodwa ngimbuka ethatha these 5 loaves and 2 fish. Athi ngiyakubonga Baba Nkosi yezulu nomhlaba. Athi ngoba ngokuphana kwakho siphiwe isinkwa esethula kuwe, esingumsebenzi wezandla zabantu, esisakuba kithi isinkwa sokuphila. Athi ngiyakubonga Baba. What fascinates me uthi mase kubusisile athi phakelana abantu badle. Angaphumi umuntu kulamagceke engadlanga. Angahlali umuntu kulamagceke elambile. Abadla abantu bami. Yazi ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu wami ngoba uNkulunkulu osuthisayo. uNkulunkulu uzokusuthisa. uNkulunkulu uzokondla. uNkulunkulu ngeke ahlule wena. Bhala this pants, write this down. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahluleke ukungondla. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahluleke ukungondla. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. Ubani uthe uNkulunkulu angahluleka ukukondla? Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahluleke yimina. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. No matter what I come with, no matter what I go through, no matter what is happening in my life, kodwa ekugcineni ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. Ngeke. Yabona angifuni isilokhu sichomela uNkulunkulu ukuthi hayi Nkosi mina okwami akuve kukhulu, hayi Nkosi mina okwami akuve kunzima, hayi Nkosi mina okwami akuve kulona kusensitive, hayi Nkosi mina okwami ku different. Hayibo, ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. Mina hayibo. Kwazona lezi inkinga engikhala ngazo, kwakhona lokhu okungangilalisi, kwakhona lokhu okudala ukuthi impilo yami ibe nje, kodwa ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. Ngeke. Ubani uthe uNkulunkulu angahlulwa yimina? Ubani uthe uNkulunkulu angahlulwa ilezi inkinga engibhekene nazo? Ubani othe uNkulunkulu angahlulwa ilezi izinto ezidala engingalala? Ubani othe uNkulunkulu angahlulwa ukuxakeka kwami? Angeke ahluleke. uNkulunkulu ngeke ahlulwe ukuxakeka kwami. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe usizi lwami. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. uNkulunkulu mningi akubukayo athi ukhalelani ngoba ngeke ngihlule nje mina lento. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. Angikhathali ukuthi sebetheni. Angikhathali ukuthi phambi kobuso bakho khonani. Angikhathali ukuthi sebekusayinelile. Angikhathali ukuthi sebenzeni. Angikhathali ukuthi banqabe nani. Kodwa ngifuna ukusho ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yimina. Doesn't matter what I go through. It doesn't matter what I'm fighting. What makes you think God will never sort it out? What makes you think God is not going to be in charge? What makes you think God is not on top of the situation? What makes you think God will fail us? What makes you think God will drop the ball? What gives us the courage to think of Him as a failure? What gives us the courage to think ukuthi uzimhlula lena? What gives us that courage? Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yithina. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe inkinga yakho. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe na inkinga yomuzi wakho. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe inkinga yomshado wakho. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe uxabana nenkinga yasemsebenzini. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yithina. I want to say that over and over again. Noma ngathiwa hlobo luni lwenkinga embhekene nalo, noma ngathiwa ingwadla, noma ngathiwa hlobo luni, kodwa egcineni ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulweke lokho. Uyabona ke lokho? Ngeke umhlule. Mina ngangihlula, kodwa yena ngeke umhlule. They all ate and were satisfied. Badla bonke basutha. Badla bonke basutha. And they took up 12 baskets full of broken pieces of fish. And those who ate the loaves were 5,000 men. Kwaze wasala. Ngifuna ukuthi asibuyeleni uNkulunkulu ongeke ahluleka. Asibuyeleni uNkulunkulu ebese bethi abantu abaningi hayi sibanibani sewuzamile mfethu salusuyeka. Sibanibani sewusebenzile mfethu salusuyeka. Ngifuna ukuthi ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe yithina. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe ukuzama kwethu. Ngeke uNkulunkulu ahlulwe ukuxakeka kwakho. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo.